Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT X18 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just open it. And here, since we've got the keyboard on the screen, we have to take a look at this option bar. Here we've got the settings, so we will have to enter it. If you cannot find the settings, just tap on this three dots icon and the settings should appear right here. So let me enter the settings, let's tap on the languages, and as you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which you can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, so I'm sure that you will find the language you would like to set. So let me pick the graphical one, let's say, and for example Assyrian. Let's tap on the language you would like to use. If you can choose the region, just tap on it and tap on done, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the list. So we can go back to the keyboard and check how it looks like. So actually we've got two differences. First of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language successfully. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on this globe icon, I can easily switch to the Assyrian one. Let's tap on the globe icon again, and again the English. So actually this is it. This is how to add new language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language, because if you added the language, probably you would like to use only one of it. So just enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language we would like to remove. In my case, it would be Assyrian, of course, and tap on this trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, and after getting back, you can see that the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the globe icon. So it means that we just got back to the very first stage of adding the keyboard and the language keyboard. So we've got only English. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your CUBOT X18. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.